Air pollution and the consequent emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere contribute to global warming, resulting in a rise in global temperatures. Energy conservation and emission reduction are pivotal directions for the future development of automotive technology. Currently, research focuses on adopting wireless solutions to enhance the safety, reliability, and flexibility of charging systems. We are a team from South China University of Technology and the University of Macao, presenting our report on protection against overload and overaligned issues in LCC-S Compensated Inductive Power Transfer System. Similar to the irreversible transition from wired communication to wireless technology, the shift from wired charging to wireless charging for electric vehicles is an inevitable technological requirement for future electric vehicle development. During wireless charging of vehicles, potential issues such as overloads and overaligned may arise. These can lead to excessive output currents in the inverter and sudden increases in output voltage in the LCC-S topology, ultimately damaging the charging system. To address the challenges of overloads and overaligned, we have introduced an additional circuitry stage on the transmitter side, which effectively mitigates these issues. We conducted experimental verification using MATLAB, and the red dotted line illustrates our successful results. Our PCB circuit design comprises an inverter, driver, sensors, and MCU, along with all the required PCBs and prototypes. Through our experiments, we have obtained corresponding results, supporting the effectiveness of our proposed solution. In the future, we plan to validate our findings on electric vehicles to ensure practical applicability. Building on this experiment, we are currently researching coil misalignment and secondary coil removal. We express our gratitude to the IEEE Industrial Electronics Society for their strong support through the Student and Young Professionals Paper Assistance Program. Thanks for your listening.